Alright, this is a quick review on the Polk Audio Marine speakers, all of Amazon. I put them on my camper here because the other ones were trash after about 6 months. These sound so much better. They put in pretty easy. Had to put a little caulk around them. It's dirty right now, but they sound pretty good. A whole bunch of improvement.
But as far as I can see, I got everything I want. 'Cause I got a roof over my head, the woman I love laying in my bed. Alright.
They sound so much better than the other ones. Plenty loud for a camper. They go louder than this. No distortion, but I'm totally happy with them.
A kiss so distant, I've opened doors. Now and listen.
Today, pour me something tall and strong, make it a hurricane before I go insane. It's only 12:30, but I don't care. It's fine.